मॉर्निंग ऑल। बेसिक इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स की कुछ ऑब्जेक्टिव्स आपके लिए लेकर आए हैं। यहाँ पर पहला क्वेश्चन है, ब्रेक डाउन मैकेनिज्म इन ए लाइटली डोप्ड पीएन जंक्शन अंडर रिवर्स बायस कंडीशन इज कॉल्ड एवलांच breakdown. For a large value of VDS, a FET behaves as voltage controlled current source. Next question. Removing bypass capacitor across the emitter leg resistor in a common emitter amplifier causes decreases in voltage gain. If peak voltage of a half-wave rectifier circuit is 5 volt and diode cut-in voltage is 0.7, then peak inverse voltage on diode will be 4.3 volt. In a full-wave rectifier without filter, the ripple factor is 0.482. A minterm of Boolean function of x, y, x is यहाँ पर आपका एक्स वाई जेड है, ठीक है। फंक्शन आपका क्या है, एक्स वाई जेड है, इज एक्स वाई जेड है। Iron losses in a transformer are due to both ED current and hysteresis losses. Open circuit test on transformer is conducted to determine core losses. A 440 volt per 110 volt, it means primary voltage and secondary voltage. Transformer has 1000 turns on the primary winding. The number of turns on the secondary winding is 250. Which of the following statement is false? So the field winding of a DC machine is housed in slots on the armature. ये आपका false statement है. While conducting short circuit test on a transformer, the following side is short circuited, means low voltage side. The power input to a main transformer is 200 watt. If the primary current is 2.5 A, the secondary voltage is 2 volt, and assuming no losses in the transformer, the turn ratio is 40 raised to 1 step down transformer. A 10 kilovolt ampere 2000 per 100 volt transformer has R1 equal to 1.5 ohm, R2 equal to 0.005 ohm, X1 equal to 2.5 ohm, and X2 equal to 0.08 ohm. The equivalent resistance referred to primary is 3.5 ohm. An induction motor is identical to a synchronous motor. Next question आपका, which of the following statements about a three-phase squirrel case induction motor is false? The magnetic flux which alternates is reduced. Negative voltage regulation is indicative that the load is capacitive. Efficiency of a power transformer is of the order of 98%. Which of the following does not change in a transformer frequency? If the supply voltage is kept at constant value and the supply frequency is increased, the magnetizing and core loss components or both will decreases. According to Fleming's right-hand rule for finding the direction of induced EMF, when middle finger points in the direction of induced EMF, forefinger will point in the direction of the lines of force. Slip rings are usually made of the phosphor bronze. The core of a transformer is laminated to reduce the ED current. A step-up transformer has a turn ratio of 10 if the output current is 5 ampere, the input current is 50 ampere. जो भी न्यूमेरिकल से रिलेटेड क्वेश्चन है, वन टाइम आप लोग सॉल्व जरूर करिएगा उसे, ठीक है। Which of the following is true about the resistance of a Zener diode? All of the mentioned. Diode can be used in the making of all of the mentioned, means rectifiers, LED lamps, logic gates. Next question. If input frequency is 50 Hz for a full wave rectifier, the ripple frequency of it would be 100 Hz. If the input frequency of a half wave rectifier is 100 Hz, then the ripple frequency will be 100 Hz. Ripple factor of a half wave rectifier is 1.21. In here, Im is the peak current and RL is the load resistance. What is the maximum electric field when VBI equal to 2 volt, VR equal to 5 volt, and the width of the semiconductor is 7 centimeter. So maximum electric field is minus 100 volt per meter. If full wave rectifier delivers 50 watt to a load of 200 ohm, if the ripple factor is 2%, calculate the AC ripple across the load is 2. How many junctions do a diode consist? One junction. If the positive terminal of the battery is connected to the anode of the diode, then it is known as the forward bias. In a half wave rectifier, the sine wave input is 50 sine 50t. If the load resistance is of 1 kilo ohm, then average DC output power will be 2.5 volt. डीसी पावर आउटपुट डीसी वोल्टेज यहाँ पर पावर लिखा हुआ है तो डीसी वोल्टेज ठीक है दी एवरेज डीसी वोल्टेज क्योंकि यहाँ पर जो ऑप्शन दिया हुआ है वोल्ट दिया हुआ है वॉट अगर होता है तो वहां पर पावर होता है ठीक है विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज ए एक्सेप्टर एटम एल्यूमिनियम फॉर ए आइडियल डायोड विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज ट्रू ऑल ऑफ द मेंशन The diode in a half-wave rectifier has a forward resistance RF, the voltage is Vm sin omega t and the load resistance is RL, then DC current is given by the Vm upon RF plus RL into pi. A full wave rectifier supplies a load of 1 kilo ohm. The AC voltage applied to a diode is 220 volt RMS value. If diode resistance is neglected, what is the ripple voltage? So 0.954. The PIV rating, peak inverse voltage rating of each diode in a bridge rectifier is that of the equivalent center tap rectifier means 1/2. In a bridge type full wave rectifier, if Vm is the peak voltage across the secondary of the transformer, the maximum voltage coming across each reverse bias diode is Vm. In a properly biased NPN transistor, most of the electrons from the emitter pass through the base to the collector. The collector of the transistor is moderately doped. The voltage gain of a transistor connected in a common collector arrangement is less than 1. At the base emitter junction of a transistor, one finds low resistance. The knee voltage of a crystal diode is approximately equal to barrier potential. The relation between beta and alpha is beta equal to alpha upon 1 minus alpha. In the breakdown region, a Zener diode behaves like a constant voltage source. Early effect in BJT refers to base narrowing. In a PNP transistor, the arrow is pointed towards base. A transistor connected in common base configurations has a low input resistance and high output resistance. The output impedance of a transistor connected in common base arrangement is the highest. If the value of alpha is 0.95, then the value of beta is 90. The term bias in electronics usually means the value of DC voltage for the device to operate properly. The doping level in a Zener diode is more than that of a crystal diode. यहाँ पर ये जो D mention है ये option D है ठीक है Which transistor configuration offer the highest input impedance? Common collector. With the increase in temperature, the resistivity of semiconductor decreases. In the depletion region of PN junction, there is a shortage of holes and electrons. At PN junction, when reverse bias increases, the penetration of depletion region is more in lightly doped region. Which of the following is a donor atom? Arsenic. The random motion of holes and free electrons due to the thermal agitation is called diffusion. A PN junction acts as a unidirectional switch. A forward bias PN junction diode has a resistance of the order of few ohm. तो आप कंटिन्यू वॉच करते रहिए, जुड़े रहिए हमारे चैनल के साथ में। और भी हम ऑब्जेक्टिव लेकर आएंगे बेसिक इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स से रिलेटेड आपके लिए। बेसिक इलेक्ट्रिकल से भी रिलेटेड ऑब्जेक्टिव्स रहेंगे और बेसिक इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स से रिलेटेड, प्लस बेसिक जो आपके डिजिटल इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स है उसके भी हम कवर करेंगे। तो आप लोग कंटिन्यू वॉच करते रहिए, हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करिए। कहीं कोई डाउट है, कोई फीडबैक आप देना चाहें, कमेंट बॉक्स में कमेंट करना ना भूलें। थैंक यू।